Cup and handle pattern is one of the best price action patterns for swing trading. In this video, I will teach you how to identify this pattern, and I will share with you a complete strategy for swing trading cup and handle. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, let's in brief discuss the structure of a cup and handle pattern. Cup and handle pattern can be bullish and bearish. Bullish cup and handle pattern will be based on 4 consequent legs of the movement. The first leg is a strong bearish impulse where the price sets a lower low. The second leg is the retracement leg where the price bounces and sets a lower high. The third movement is a bearish movement where the price strictly sets the higher low. And the last movement is a bullish movement where the price returns back to the level of the last lower high. Here's the example of a completed cup and handle formation on a pound-yen pair. Also remember that cup and handle can also be a bearish pattern. Bearish cup and handle pattern will be also called the inverted cup and handle formation. The pattern will be also based on 4 consequent legs of the movement, and the first leg will be a strong bullish impulse with the formation of a higher high. The second leg will be a bearish movement with the formation of a higher low. The third leg will be a bullish movement where the price strictly sets the lower high. And the last movement will be a bearish movement where the price reaches the level of the last higher low. And here in Aussie dollar pair, you can see the example of a completed inverted cup and handle formation. The main element of a cup and handle formation will be the horizontal neckline. Horizontal neckline is the horizontal resistance that is based on the level of the last lower high. That neckline will be applied for trade confirmation. We will look for bullish breakout of the neckline. The candle closes above that to confirm a bullish reversal. Only when the market closes above the neckline, only then for us bullish reversal is confirmed and we can anticipate a bullish continuation. You can see that the bullish breakout of the neckline of a cup and handle formation on a pound-yen pair was a very strong bullish signal, and a strong bullish movement initiated then. Always remember that even though cup and handle formation can be identified on any time frame, for swing trading cup and handle we will strictly look for that pattern on a daily time frame. Horizontal neckline will also be the important element of the inverted cup and handle formation. It will be the horizontal support based on the level of the higher low within the pattern, and for us a bearish reversal will be confirmed only after breakout and the candle close below the neckline. You can see that the breakout of the neckline of the inverted cup and handle formation on Aussie dollar pair triggered a strong bearish movement. Remember that not every cup and handle formation will have the same accuracy. If you start trading all the cup and handle formations that you spot, you will inevitably lose all your money. For profitable swing trading cup and handle formation, I recommend considering 2 important things. When you apply cup and handle formation for swing trading, make sure that a bullish cup and handle formation is strictly formed in a bullish trend, and the pattern is also formed on a key horizontal structure support. Take a look at Euro-Swiss pair. We are on a daily time frame, and you always start with the trend analysis. You can see that obviously on a daily time frame, Euro-Swiss pair is bullish. The trend is bullish. Then we look for the cup and handle formation, and here we can spot a tiny cup and handle. You can see that here is our bearish movement. Then here the price sets lower high. Here we have a higher low, and we have the horizontal neckline. Here's our valid bullish cup and handle formation. And once you identify that, you should check whether the pattern is formed on a key support. You look left at structure, and here we can spot a very important horizontal structure support. The support that the price tested, and after the test of that support, we see the formation of the cup and handle pattern. The best bullish cup and handle formation will be formed in a bullish trend and on a key support. And once you spotted a bearish cup and handle formation, first, make sure that the market is trading in a bearish trend and that the pattern is formed on a key structure resistance. Now take a look at a pound-cat pair. The first thing that we will do on a daily time frame, we will execute the trend analysis. And from the trend analysis perspective, we can obviously see that the pair is bearish, and that we are trading in a bearish trend. Learn how to trade price action patterns in my premium group. Join now and watch how I trade price action patterns live on a daily live trading sessions. For more info, check the link in the description below. In this bearish trend, we can spot that recently the pair formed a cup and handle formation. Here is the cup and here is the handle. Once we spotted this bearish cup and handle formation, we should check whether it is formed on a key resistance. We look left at structure and we can spot here a significant structure resistance. After the test of that resistance, this cup and handle formation was formed. The best bearish cup and handle formation will be formed in a bearish trend and on a key resistance. And here is the best way to trade cup and handle. So the question is, how will we trade this pattern? As we discussed, we will strictly look for breakout of the neckline. Our bullish confirmation right here will be a bullish breakout of the neckline and the daily candle close above that. Once a daily candle closes above the neckline, we will anticipate a bullish continuation. Then after the breakout of the neckline, the broken neckline will turn into support, and the broken neckline will give us the best point for buying the market. So after the breakout of the neckline, we will set our buy limit order on a retest of a broken neckline. Then for targets, we will choose the closest strong resistance. You should look left at structure and identify the closest key resistance on a daily time frame. That will be your target. You can see that here on a daily we have a strong resistance cluster, and that resistance cluster we will apply for the target. And then where will be the stop loss? When we place the stop loss trading a cup and handle formation on a daily time frame, we can set it below the handle. That will be a safe stop loss, and here is the target. So you can see that we can have a very nice reward to risk ratio. And by the way, when you're planning your trade, make sure that your reward is always bigger than the risk. In order to trade this cup and handle formation, let's underline its neckline. Its neckline is right here, that support cluster. But here in that particular case, the neckline of this cup and handle formation will be wider because the neckline here is also part of a wider support, of a bigger support here. So to make our trading confirmation safer and more accurate, I always recommend to my students to make the neckline bigger. So for us, a bearish reversal on pound cat will be confirmed only when a daily candle closes below that entire area. That will be a very important condition. After the violation of that horizontal neckline, we will set our sell limit order on a retest of a broken neckline. That area will be the perfect area for us to sell, and I will set my sell limit somewhere in the middle. Stop loss will lie above the handle strictly, and you can see that here the handle and the cup are almost equal, and in such a situation it will be even safer to set stop loss above the cup as well. The target for the trade will be the closest key support, and our closest daily support is right here. So that support will be applied for our take profit. The combination of key level and market trend is essential for profitable swing trading cup and handle. That will guarantee the high accuracy and good profits. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, let me know which pattern do you want to learn in the next videos. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn price action trading and swing trading, do not forget to check my premium group. The link in the description below. There I will teach you how to trade. Also, traders, do not forget to watch my other videos.